Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best affordable exercise bikes to crush your fitness goals at home. On Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Sperax exercise bike. You can find the links for each product in the video description. Here's a concise and engaging script for the Sperax exercise bike. Looking to upgrade your home workouts? The Sperax exercise bike combines style, comfort, and performance, making it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring stability during intense rides. With a smooth and quiet belt drive system, it's perfect for focused workouts without disturbing others. The bike features a 35-pound flywheel for a natural road-like feel and adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. Its cushioned seat and ergonomic handlebars are fully adjustable, ensuring maximum comfort no matter your height. Monitor your progress with the LCD screen, which tracks time, distance, speed, calories, and heart rate. Plus, the built-in device holder keeps your phone or tablet within reach for entertainment or virtual training sessions. Compact and easy to move, thanks to its transport wheels, the Sperax exercise bike is ideal for home gyms of any size. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cyclist, it's designed to help you stay motivated and reach your fitness goals. Number 2 is the Merak exercise bike. The Merak exercise bike is a sleek and reliable option for home workouts, designed to combine performance and convenience. Its durable steel frame supports up to 350 pounds, providing a stable and secure ride for all fitness levels. The advanced magnetic resistance system ensures smooth and silent operation, ideal for uninterrupted sessions at any time of day. This bike is equipped with a 35-pound flywheel and adjustable resistance, allowing you to tailor your workouts from light cardio to high-intensity training. The comfortable seat and multi-grip handlebars are fully adjustable, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your body. Track your fitness progress on the easy-to-read LCD monitor, which displays time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. The Merak bike also includes a tablet holder, so you can follow along with your favorite workouts or enjoy entertainment while you ride. With its compact design and transport wheels, this bike fits seamlessly into any home gym and can be moved effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist, the Merak exercise bike is a great choice for improving your fitness journey. And to finish, the first position goes to the Ativafit folding exercise bike. The Ativafit folding exercise bike is a versatile and space-saving option for home fitness. With its compact, foldable design, it's perfect for small spaces, allowing you to easily store it when not in use. Its sturdy frame supports up to 265 pounds, offering durability and stability for users of all fitness levels. This bike features a smooth magnetic resistance system with 8 adjustable levels, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. The versatile design lets you use it as an upright or recumbent bike, providing flexibility for different exercise preferences. The wide, cushioned seat and ergonomic backrest ensure comfort during longer sessions. Stay on top of your progress with the LCD monitor, which tracks time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. The built-in resistance bands add an upper body workout component, making it a great full-body exercise solution. Compact and lightweight, the Ativafit folding bike also comes with wheels for easy portability. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or maintaining an active lifestyle, this bike offers convenience and functionality in one package. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 exercise bikes to crush your fitness goals at home, that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.